choice I could, rejoice I could take the choice I took to take the choices out of your hands and put them in my hands. And it's all good, yeah, it's all good. I got the bag, got the book, skip the town goodbye with no bad feelings, no heart broke, hit the road. And so I moved to England and started seeing what we're doing, still doing everything we want. And maybe one day we'll go to rehab or back to Argentina. It's not that far away in the day now. Let's hope someday I'll play my concertina to an arena full of people, or dream my life away, dreaming of the day when I find my girl. Love will be amazing, champion sound. When I find my girl, love will be amazing, champion sound. Argentina, it's not that far away in the day now. Was hoping someday I'll play my concertina to an arena full of people, or dream my life away, dreaming of the day I would find my love to be out. When I see her I'ma say yeah, I'm on my hope she say yeah. I wanna try to say is that someday when I find my girl, love will be amazing, champion sound. When I find my girl, love will be amazing, champion sound. When I find my girl, love will be amazing, champion sound. When I find my girl, love will be amazing, champion sound. When you find that love inside of me, deep within the heart of me, deep within my, deep within my, deep within the heart of me. Love will be amazing, champion sound.